Assalamu alaikum. Hey, this is Nusrat, Head of Education at Musaffa. Today I'll show you how to identify stable, high-quality healthcare stocks for conservative investors while ensuring they are Sharia compliant using our Halal stock screener. First, I set the Sharia compliance filter to Halal so that all stocks in our search adhere to Islamic investing standards. Next, I choose the healthcare sector from the sector filter to focus specifically on companies in this space. To narrow the selection further, I select both mega cap and large cap companies from the market cap classification filter, as these typically represent firms with strong market positions and proven stability. I also set the analyst rating filter to buy, to include only those stocks with positive expert recommendations. Moving to the price, volume, and trading metrics section, I apply the beta filter and set it between 0 and 1 to capture stocks that are less volatile than the overall market. Additionally, in the financial performance section, I add a filter for return on assets above 10%, which indicates that the company is efficiently using its assets to generate profit. With these filters in place, I quickly generate a refined list of stable, high-quality healthcare stocks. Remember, further research on each stock is recommended before investing to ensure it fits your long-term investment strategy.